Welcome all my dear students. Today I am continuing the explanation part of chapter number 3, movement towards the new world. Okay, so today I am going to explain you United Nations. Okay, you can go through the emblem. This is the emblem of United Nations. Okay, in the blue color there is a picture. This is the emblem of United Nations. Now I will explain you what is United Nations, where it is established, where is the headquarters of United Nations, and everything regarding United Nations, the procedure they work and for what they work. Okay, so now comes to United Nations. At the end of First World War, the League of Nations was formed in order to establish world peace. But the fact that the World War II occurred meant that the League of Nations was a failure. Now, after First World War, the League of Nations was formed to establish world peace. लीग ऑफ नेशंस इसलिए फॉर्म किया ताकि वर्ल्ड में पीस एस्टेब्लिश कर सके. बट फैक्ट ये था कि लीग ऑफ नेशन फेल हो गया. सारे नेशंस उससे निकलने लगे और आपस में झगड़ने लगे और इसके वजह से वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 हुआ. नाउ at the end of World War II, on 24 October 1945, the United Nations was established with the purpose of peace, security and coexistence in the world. Its headquarters was to be in New York. Now, after World War II, on 24th October 1945, at the end of World War, this was the end of World War, the United Nations was established. Okay, in place of League of Nations, United Nations came into establishment. And the purpose of United Nations is to maintain peace, security, coexistence in the world. उनको peace, security और coexist करना था वर्ल्ड में. ओके, यूनाइटेड नेशंस का हेडक्वार्टर्स न्यूयॉर्क में है. न्यूयॉर्क इज़ इन अमेरिका. नाउ यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस हेडक्वार्टर्स. ये यूनाइटेड नेशंस का हेडक्वार्टर है जो न्यूयॉर्क में है. सारी कंट्रीज़ के जो फ्लैग्स है यहाँ पे लगे हुए हैं, जो भी इसके मेंबर्स है, और इस तरह से ये यूनाइटेड नेशन बना हुआ है और वो अब तक है. ओके, America's effort to establish United Nations had already begun from the time it joined the Second World War. The American President Roosevelt made 4 important announcements regarding freedom while giving this message to the American Congress with the intention of human freedom, peace and security. And the 4 announcements are: